Good morning, students. Welcome back again in grade 10 mathematics, chapter number 5 arithmetic progression. Today in this video we covered exercise 5.2 question number 2 and 3. So let's start. Okay, now look, question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Okay, here we have two questions, MCQ type question, and we have to pick correct one, A, B, C, D. Okay, now look, what is the first one? 30th term of AP is we want to find. So here our AP is solution first. Look here, what is our AP? 10, 7, 4, etc. So A is equal to 10, and what is the D? D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, that means 7 minus 10, that means minus 3. Okay. Now we want to find 30th term. Put formula of A30. A30 is equal to A plus 29 D. Now put the value of A. A is equal to 10 plus 29. D is equal to minus 3. That means 10 plus minus minus 29 into 3, 87. That means we have minus 7. Okay. Therefore C is correct one. A30 is equal to minus 77. Okay. Look, second one. What is the 11th term of this AP? So first of all I write our AP and find A and D. This is our AP, minus 3, minus 1 half, 2, so on. A is equal to minus 3, and what is the D? D is equal to A2 minus A1. That means minus 1 half minus, what is the A1? Again minus 3. That means minus 1 half minus minus become plus 3. 3 minus 1 half. That means 2.5. That means I write 5 upon 2. Or you can write 2.5 also. Okay, because this is a half. 3 minus half, that means 2.5. Okay, now put the formula of A11. So what happened? Look here, A11 is equal to A plus 10D. Now put the value of A. What is A? Minus 3 plus 10, and what is D? 5 upon 2. Okay, here 2 5s are cancelled. 5 5s are 25, minus 3 plus 25, minus 22. Okay. So here what is the correct one? This one. B option is correct one. Got it? Everyone, look. Okay. Now look, example number 3. What is the example number 3? First of all I read out. Example number 3. Okay. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. Here we want to find this term. This boxes, value of given boxes. So let's start. What is the first one? Here first term, second term, and third term. Okay, we want to find the second term, that means A2. Okay, what is given? Here given A is equal to 2 and also 1, 2, 3. This is A3. A3 is equal to 26. Now put formula. What is A3? A plus A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Okay, third term. Now put the value of A and D. What is a D? We don't know actually what is a D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. We will put the value of A. Then D. Okay. Now put A is equal to 2 here, plus 2D is equal to 26. Transfer to on opposite side, it becomes negative. 2D is equal to 24 and D is equal to 12. Okay. D is equal to 12. Now our first term is 2. Second term is equal to first term plus D. What is the first term? 2. And what is the D? 12. That means 14. Finally we have 14. Our second term is 14. Got it everyone? Okay. Now look, second one. Here we want to find the first term and third term. What is given? Second term and fourth term given. So I write second term A2 is equal to A plus D. Now put A2. 13 is equal to A plus D. This is our first equation. And 1, 2, 3, 4. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Now put A4 is equal to 3. A plus 3D as it is. This is our second equation. Now we have to solve these two pair by elimination method. So I arrange this equation below this one. 13 is equal to A plus D. Now change the sign. Here A cancel. Here 10 is equal to 2D and D is equal to 5. Okay? 2 5s are 10. D is equal to 5. Now we want to find the third term. So I put formula of third term. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Okay. Now look here. Now put this value D in any one. This formula or this formula. What happened? 13 is equal to A plus D. That means 13 minus 15 is equal to A. Minus 2 is equal to A. The value of A is equal to minus 2. Okay? And D is equal to 5. Now, here A is equal to minus 2. This is my answer. First term, A is equal to minus 2. Okay? Now look, second example. What is given? A2 is 13. That means write formula of A2. A plus D is equal to 13. This is our equation number 4. And A4 is given. So I write formula of A4. What is value of A4 is equal to 3. That means A plus 3D is equal to 3. This is our second equation. Now solve this pair by elimination method. I arrange this equation below this one is equal to 13. Change the sign. Here 2D is equal to 10 minus 10. Therefore D is equal to minus 5. Now put this value in any one. I put here D is equal to minus 5. Therefore by equation 1, what happened? D is equal to minus 5. A minus 5 is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 plus 5. A is equal to 18. Okay, got it everyone? A is equal to 13. That means this is the first term. Okay, and what is the difference? Difference is minus 5. Now we want to find the third term. So put the formula of third term. A plus 2D. What is the A? 18 plus 2. What is the D? Minus 5. That means 18 minus 10. That means 8. Here we have 8. Okay? Got it? Okay. Now look third one. What is the example third? Here we given that A is equal to 5 and A4 is equal to 9 integer 1 half. That means 9.5. Okay, what is the formula of A4? A plus 3D. Now put A is equal to 5 here. 3D is equal to 9.5. 3D is equal to 9.5 minus 5. That means 4.5. 3D is equal to 9.5 minus 5. That means 4.5. Now D is equal to 4.5 upon 3. That means 1.5. Okay, D is equal to 1.5 and A is equal to 5. Now what is the A2? A2 is equal to A plus D. A is 5 and D is 1.5. Okay, that means 6.5, or you can write 6 into 6 integer 1 half, and A3 is equal to A2 plus D. Now what is A2? A2 is 6.5 here, and plus D. D is 1.5. That means 8. Okay, the value of A3 is equal to 8. Got it, everyone? Okay, now look, what is the example number 4? Here A is equal to -4, and first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or 6. A6 is equal to 6. Now what is the formula of A6? A5 is equal to 6. Put A is equal to -4 here, plus 5D is equal to 6. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. D is equal to 2. 10 upon 5, that means 2. Okay, 5 is that. Okay, now what is the A2? A2 is equal to A plus D. A is -4 and D is 2, that means -2. What is the A3? A2 plus 2D. A plus 2D. Okay, what is the A? A is equal to -4 plus 2 and D is equal to -2. Therefore, here A plus 2D, 2 as it is, and what is the D? D is equal to 2, only 2. Okay, therefore -4 plus 4 we have 0. This is -2, this is 0. Now simply just add difference and we get the next term. 0 plus D, that means A4, that means A3 plus difference. What is A3? 0. And what is the difference? 2. That means we have 2. And A5 is equal to fourth term plus difference. What is the fourth term? 2. And what is the difference? Difference is again 2. That means 2 plus 2, 4. Therefore we have 2 and 4. Okay? Okay, now look. Example 5. Here, look, A2 is equal to 38. What is the formula of A2? A plus D is equal to 38. This is equation number 1. And here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, AC is equal to 22. What is A6? A plus 5D is equal to 22. This is the second equation. Now you have to solve these two equations by elimination method, and you have value of A and D. After getting A and D, you easily find third, fourth and fifth term. This example exactly like this second one. Okay, that is up to you. I hope you all have understood. Even if you have any doubt, you can ask me in our doubt session. Till then, take care. Good day and thank you very much.